The Samsung Galaxy S23 features noise-cancelling microphones and powerful speakers for clear call quality. However, some users notice lower than expected volume levels when on calls, making it hard to hear the other person. There are several fixes you can try to restore full call volume on your Galaxy S23. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Check the volume and mute settings. Start by making sure your S23 call volume is set to the maximum level, or at least above 60%. Use the volume buttons on the side to turn it up during a call. Swipe down and check if the mute option is enabled in quick settings. This tile mutes the microphone during calls. Check for obstructions. Make sure no debris is blocking the tiny earpiece grill above the S23 display. Use a dry, lint-free cloth to gently clean the earpiece. Obstructions in the port can muffle sound during calls. Reset the phone app. There are times when issues like this occur due to issues with the app you use. That might be the reason when the call volume on your phone is low. So clear the cache and data of the app to see if it fixes the problem. To do that, tap and hold the phone app until the options appear. Then, tap on the app info icon. Scroll down and tap storage. And on the next screen, tap clear cache, followed by clear data. After that, try to see if the problem is fixed. Update the software. Installing the latest software update can potentially include audio fixes from Samsung. So open Settings and then tap Software Update. Tap Download and Install to check if there's an update available. If there is, take time to update your phone. Factory reset your device. If call volume is still low, perform a factory reset to eliminate any deep-seated software bugs. This will revert your device to factory condition. Remember to back up your data first before resetting. Here's how it's done. Open Settings, and then tap General Management. On the next screen, scroll down and tap Reset. And finally, select Factory Data Reset. Tap Reset and confirm when prompted. After the reset, you have to check the earpiece first before restoring anything. If this doesn't fix the issue either, then have your phone checked, as the speakers or the earpiece might need to be replaced. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching.